Hey guys, it's me, TaleeMJ. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video, I'm going to be putting random things into slime. So without any further ado, let's go straight on into the video. If you're under ages 9, please do not light a candle without, tell an adult. And if you're under ages 13, watch adults supervise you. Okay? Okay. My mom is supervising me. Just letting you know. Because she just doesn't like being shown on camera. Last time we did a YouTube video together, she's always behind the scenes. Not behind the scenes. Behind the camera. But for today's video, I'm going to be adding random things into slime. So, let's get into the video. The first thing I'm going to be adding into slime, and I'm going to be adding it into small portions of slime, because I have quite a lot of things, is perfume. So I got this unicorn perfume for my birthday. So let's open this. I never used it, actually. I don't... this one's good, actually, like, for real. I put, like, about 5 pumps of that. Let's mix it in. Okay, it just made it less stretchier and made it smell good. So I guess if you don't have scents, you could use perfume. Let's take another small portion of this slime. The next thing we're gonna add is some moisturizer. I'm gonna put quite a lot. That should be pretty good for a small portion of slime because it's tiny and small. So we're just gonna mix that in. Moisturizer, I think is very similar to lotion, so it's probably gonna melt the slime. Why didn't I not think of that? Wait, hold on guys, this is getting interesting. So it was melting the slime at first, right? Okay, hold on. And now it's kind of like, after it melts the slime, it puts it back together. Sort of, like this slime was really melted. And now it's sticky. It's a sticky slime. That's crazy. Wow, that's crazy. Okay, so we're going to take another small portion of the slime. And we're going to see what happens when we put chest rub in it. I found these random things in my house, as if you was wondering where I found them at. Didn't buy any of them. I found them in my house. For this video, you could just, like, put random things in your slime. You could even put, like, hand sanitizer. Oh, that smells like Vicks. In your slime, or, like, literally anything. I'm probably going to have to stop this video. Okay, yeah, because soon I have to eat. Well, I have to eat right now. But I don't have a lot of things to do. And the last thing I'm putting into the slime, will be candle wax. I just have a little bit because I only let the fire on for a little bit. I didn't get to leave it on for a long time, but I'll be back to finish the video. So yeah. Okay, so I'm back. So here. So candle. Fire. we wait for the wax to melt. So this is the moisturizer. That is the chest rub. This is the perfume. And this is the wax. Okay, so this is pretty good enough wax for this tiny bit. So we don't want it to dry. Oh guys, I'm sorry, but my dad walked by and he doesn't like being on camera, but this is the candle wax. It kind of just dried on the slime. Didn't change much. So this is the same exact slime without it. Without any of the things. So it is definitely way fluffier and different. So yeah. So this is the candle slime. I'm gonna add a little bit more of this because I was in a rush with this because I had to go eat very, very soon. So this was one of the ones that I was like rushing really badly. Perfect. So that's quite enough of chest rub, I think it's called. Yep. So it's funny. It makes the slime feel wet in a way, but like it also activates the slime. The perfume, I don't know what happens with the perfume, honestly. It kind of is the same. It stayed the same with the perfume to me. Didn't make any difference to me from what I see. But let's mix. Maybe it will make a difference. Yep, it did make a difference. It activates it, so it's now less stretchy. So don't add perfume into slime. And don't add random things into slime unless you know that nothing will go wrong with it. Now me, I did not test any of these things, so I am lucky nothing went wrong. So this is the moisturizer one. So it completely it turned sticky. It melted a little bit. We're gonna add more to see where that takes us. I think it's just gonna melt. Yeah. Because, you know what's so crazy? In the beginning, like, it melts, right? It melts the slime. And then in the middle, it, like, activates the slime. And then at the end, it melts it again and it stays melted. Unless it needs more moisturizer to activate. But I really doubt it. Like next, like I said, I highly doubt it. So, now we're just gonna do a really quick slime smoothie. So we're gonna grab the candle slime. This is regular slime. We're gonna grab, oof, that scent is strong. The chest rub slime. The perfume slime. And the messiest for last, which goes everywhere. The moisturizer slime. Let's mix all of this together. It's probably gonna turn like to a regular slime. And because of the candle slime with a bunch of things in it, I feel like cause since the other ones are like Hi. Huh?
Hello, genius.
Hi.
You wanna know what day is it?
What?
Monday. And you wanna know what time at Subway?
What time?
7.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, you said you were gonna call me. You lied. You lied to me.
I actually finished eating literally 20 minutes ago.
Wow. Who is this late woman?
Me.
So we can play
Tomorrow.
cards. You know what that means, Talia?
What?
We can play at home.
Tomorrow we'll play.
Mm-hmm.
I did 10 YouTube videos today. What do you expect?
Shut up.
And I'm filming one right now, so you're on camera.
You shut up.
You're on camera.
Okay, do I care? I've been on camera many times.
Don't disrespect the girl.
Talia? Oh, hell no. Don't act like you haven't done it many times.
Yeah, I disrespect you. You're a boy.
Talia? No, a lot of girls.
Okay, because Delilah is crazy.
Nah, not only Delilah, Talia.
Shut up. How about that?
That's what I thought.
Scarlett, because she's cuckoo too.
Not only Scarlett,
Who else?
a lot of people. Oh, shoot!
My best friend? We play around like that. My best friend?
Stop beating me!
My best friend? Because we play around. That's how we play around.
What? I wasn't paying attention. I was getting
Okay, you know what? Bye. How about that?
What? I'm playing Apex. I was getting beaten to death by Bloodhound.
Not sponsored.
I'm playing a game and not even over there.
I know, but you said it still.
Yeah, so I'm not even a YouTube video, like.
Okay, bye. Bye, Felicia.
Bye, stupid.
Thank you. He called me a poo-poo head. So this is how the slime turned out. It turned like a very nice slime, actually. I might mix all of these things together. Except the candle one, because the candle one didn't do nothing, just leave chunks. So, yeah. Now let's do some smoothie with this one right over here. And the one that we just made. So it activated it more, which I don't like. So we're just going to have some more of the moisturizer. And yeah. That was probably too much moisturizer, but whatever. But now you guys know what happens when you add chest rub moisturizer perfume and candle wax into slime. Well, comment down below if you want me to do part 2 with different items and maybe even more items. I love you guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on post notification bell so you get notified every time I post a new video. Good. Bye. Hold on, guys. Before I stop the camera, listen how good the slime is. By the way, guys. But look at the satisfying noises and crunches. I didn't do a TikTok about that slime. Just how satisfying it is. Anyway, so bye.